So I've been testing this Haylou Watch 4S for the past couple weeks, and honestly, I'm impressed. For under 30 bucks, you're getting this gorgeous AMOLED display, actual GPS that works without your phone, Bluetooth calling, and a rotating crown that makes you feel like you're using something way more expensive. The battery lasts almost 2 weeks. Seriously. But look, nothing's perfect at this price, right? So let's talk about what's great, what's not, and whether you should actually buy this thing. But before we get started, if you're new here, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Unboxing is pretty standard box here. You've got the watch, charging cable, the usual paperwork, and actually a screen protector and extra straps, which is a nice touch. I'm using the black one, but there's a silver version too, if that's more your vibe. First time picking this up? Yeah, it definitely doesn't feel like a $30 watch. The aluminum body has some real weight to it. Not heavy, just feels quality. About the same weight as a regular analog watch. Okay, so the design is genuinely nice. That aluminum body, the rotating crown that actually clicks when you turn it, these are details you usually see on watches that cost 3 or 4 times more. And it's not just aesthetic either. You actually use that crown to scroll through stuff and it feels really smooth. Now, water resistance is where they had to cut corners a bit. It's got one ATM rating, so rain, sweat, washing your hands, totally fine. But swimming? Definitely not. Take it off first. Same with showers. If you need a swim tracker, this isn't it. The strap is comfortable silicone. Nothing fancy, but it works. You can swap it out easily if you want to change the look. This display though? This is where they really nailed it. It's a 1.43-inch AMOLED, super crisp, colors pop, and here's the thing. It goes up to 1000 nits peak of brightness. I took this outside in direct sunlight and had zero issues reading it. That's legitimately impressive. Only complaint is there's no auto brightness, so you're manually adjusting when you go from outside to inside. Minor annoyance, but not a deal breaker. They've got tons of watch faces you can download, or you can make your own with your photos. The always-on display works well if you want it, just know it'll eat into your battery life a bit. Now let's talk GPS because this is actually pretty solid. It's got dual-band GPS with 5 different satellite systems, so it locks on fast and stays accurate. I've taken it on runs and it's been reliable, no phone needed. Bluetooth calling surprised me. You can actually take calls on your wrist. And the audio quality is decent. Like, I wouldn't use it for long conversations, but for quick calls when you're working out or your phone's in another room, yeah, it really works. There's an AI voice assistant that's pretty responsive. You can ask it to check weather, make calls, set timers, standard voice assistant stuff. Sport modes, there's like 120 plus of them. Running, cycling, yoga, basketball, whatever. It tracks your heart rate, calories, gives you stats. For casual fitness tracking, it does the job well. Oh, and there are some little games on here too if you're bored. Health tracking covers the basics and then some. Heart rate monitoring all day with alerts if something's off, blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking that actually breaks down your sleep stages, and stress monitoring. The sleep tracking has been pretty accurate from what I can tell. It'll show you how much deep sleep you got, when you woke up, all that. Accuracy is solid for the price. It's not gonna be as precise as medical equipment, but for everyday tracking, it's good enough. Just make sure you turn on 24/7 monitoring in the app or it'll only track when you tell it to. Setup is easy with the Haylou Fun app. Works on iPhone or Android. The app itself is pretty straightforward, nothing confusing. And on the watch, that rotating crown makes everything feel smooth. Way better than just tapping and swiping. Battery life has been great. I'm getting about 10 days with normal use. Checking notifications, tracking workouts, heart rate on all day. They claim 18 days in basic mode and that seems about right. Even with GPS running, you get like 26 hours. Charging takes a couple hours with the magnetic cable. Basically, you're charging once every week and a half. Can't complain about that. So what's not great? Well, that water resistance thing I mentioned, no swimming. No auto brightness can be annoying. You're not getting a ton of apps or anything like Apple Pay. The GPS is good, but if you're a serious runner, dedicated running watches are still more accurate. And if you're on iPhone, a few features might be slightly limited compared to Android, though most stuff works fine. Now here's the deal. At 30 bucks, this is a steal If you want a smartwatch that looks good, has solid battery life, and tracks your fitness without needing your phone nearby. It feels more expensive than it is, and most of the features actually work well. But if you absolutely need swimming support, perfect GPS accuracy, or you're deep in the Apple or Google ecosystem and want all those integrations, then yeah, you'll need to spend more. For everyone else though, this is probably one of the best budget smartwatches you can get right now. And if you're interested, I will put the purchase link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our tech coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!